I want to share more than talk. For real. Yeah, alright, watch this now. Yeah, me call her with the intention, because I know she going to call you. Me know she going to call you. People, you know I'm busy from the other day. Well busy, and still have to there. I try hustle, I try hustle. And still have to try do what I do. I'm busy, I try, you know. Hustle over here, so they wouldn't see me, I should know leap of love. And still have to try do what I do. I try to get my things straight now. Forgot to wasn't there with them. If you call me from last night, say she want to get some things done. You know what I talk about? That can't talk about. That probably can't talk about. She said she come from last night. She said she want to get some things done for my daughter. She asked for a certain amount of money. Me tell her no problem, because I don't expect some money in the morning. Yeah. To tell you the truth, I don't expect some money in the morning. Yeah. This morning, I don't expect some money. Now later down in the morning, till I make promise, my daughter say, yo, she'll get some money. My daughter call me the whole day. She over school, she'll call me the whole day and say, if I'm not going to bring the money, come here, because she want money and she want money. You understand? Because I must actually the breadwinner, you understand? Rosealee are the breadwinner. I will broke with baby them. Why? You spoil them. Them spend money when them feel like. So Shantana used to not spending money. You understand? I call me down the whole day, she want. You understand? When I get the money, I get through with the money. In the evening now, about another one before school over. Rose forward in. I cut up a split. She come to the yard. She realized that I talk on the phone. She realized that I talk on the phone. You understand? I be real now, no. You see, I talk to Chevy on the phone. When she come to the yard, I cut off the call. I cut off the call. Serious something, I'm joking to me, I cut off the call. You understand? Because I can't manage the full argument and the argument. Because I know if she come see me attack on the phone and say, that's the argument. Should even bother ask for the money. Argument that start from there. You understand? Cut off the call. And she come in. And she look for me. For she look for me, knows the money she asks her. June, I hit me there work for. You understand? Say you get the money yet? No, I hit me there work for. I hit me there try to start out right now. Because really and truly, I see if I can get some money somewhere, somehow. Because me want some money and Shanta pressure me about money. Some want some money. You understand? Me want the money. She go to the house and my brother there in there. Heal up my brother and she took up some clothes and she come out back. June wait till she took up the clothes and come out back. When she come out back in the yard and she start from there, so. See me tell me say you get $100,000 last week, you ain't have the money now. If you get $100,000 last week, you ain't have the money now, I can't follow her up because what you ask me make no sense. What do you mean by it? Yeah? You get $100,000, I'm not have the money now, brother. I build one house. I get the material them free. You have to pay the rent man them. You see it? So I'm not follow her up. Do man gone out on the middle of the road because she go back now, so she left out of the yard and gone out in the middle of the road. And the car out there wait for her. I mean no own the car out, and who drive the car and I wait for her. I'm not follow up, she gone out there. Yeah, fuck broke girl. Broke English girl, yeah, fuck. And you can't find 20,000 to give a pitney. You can't find money to give a pitney. Wait. So we find out, say, and I really the money. And I really the money are the issue. I now follow up this woman see a way though. The broke girl. Yeah, broke girl I want fuck. Yeah, the broke girl I want fuck. She can't send some money to give a pitney. She can't send some money to give a pitney. out of the middle of the road, and I must say, this woman, nobody never hear that. Nobody never hear that she asked for the money. Nobody never hear that she come at the yard the first time. So why when you say you're gone, you couldn't just say, you couldn't go, you come peaceful, you couldn't go peaceful. So, iron. I'm tell you the truth. I'm not answer until she go away. And when she go away now, I start saying, it's a big man to the woman that really follow me up because how the fuck you left from which part you left from? Come, you say we don't argue about the money, you're not argue about them. The argument left totally from the money gone a blouse and skirt, English girl and who more fuck and how she broke and way, you know, brother. Brother, John Oster. And when she go away and jive gone and them jive gone and I call her phone and I know she go record it. Me didn't know. Because she had tried some stunt. Me didn't know. She had to pull her stunt. But I never give up, because I follow her at the same time. I never argue with that. If they argue at the same time, I better she let go to her phone and video me and her argue. Or our friend would have video me and her argue at the same time. I never follow her up. And when she gone, I appreciate your big man that girl really prolong me, you know. In a real life, she prolong me, you know. You see, because you're on the internet about the heap of antics. And you still left from where you are left. And you say, I come for clothes, bro. Clothes say I come for. And you come for the clothes and the money for the so you did for Shanta. Oh, you got an English girl and the heap of English girl and you got out of the road and the middle of the road on top of your voice and the English girl and buck English girl and woman want to fuck for woman don't want to fuck. And the big June, really and truly still, you know. You feel try to see if you can take all focus upon even me too, you know. And focus on the baby them and the brother. Cause they're not even talking about the money and now, you know. When me I say still, my babies them, it will never happen again. It can't happen again. Many woman not even dead, bro. Why me I argue with her? I should not follow her, brother. So I really apologize. I really apologize for she come with good advice. Because I know some disappointing me, you know. I know when you disappointing me bad. All I know disappointing me for really make she record me. I say them something there. You see it? I'm sure they make me feel so, brother. Not really like, I'm sure they make me feel so. You not even know, brother. And me left house from Gosh Bar June there, you know. And me left house from there. Gosh Bar Rose there. I just, sorry son, I'm just, you actually not even know, brother. Big man thing, you know. The live report. I say nothing live report. I don't really do for report. I see a evilness that you know, brother. Big man thing, you know, brother. Evilness that, brother.
GX,
Ivany, wagwan.
what happened, my friend? Yeah, go away. No, go away, man. You alright? Checking on you.
So I fuck her, I go on. You can't write them people that try to bring them career.
GX, GX. You remember the first thing you said before when you just come on the internet? You remember the first thing when you said? I just two things we have to say to you, I'm gone. You remember the two first main things that you said when you come on the internet? I'm going to remind you what you said. One, you say you never want to come over here because you know TikTok is the devil's playground. Your baby mother did over here already. You never want to come over here, but the only reason you come over here is to deal with things. You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear, man.
You said the only reason why you come over here is because you try to work out. Yeah, I hear me, jerks.
Now listen to your Ivany.
Lam them a send me request. Add him.
London man come with too much. That's why I not add him from the beginning.
Alright, then I go respect that. Because I want me to have him, but I go respect what you said.
I know, Stan.
Yes, so, listen, Drake, you tell me, say, you know, say TikTok is the devil's playground. So, and like, say, you don't know where it come with. You know where it come with. Me, you know, say, for the moment you're there, Drake, everybody, this is life. Everybody are going to love you within the moment. Because people want you come, including myself, when I got to tell a lie, they don't want you come and talk things with your baby mother. But rate how you never come talk things about her, and I rate how you keep it that at a fact where you come for get help about your children. You know how TikTok stay, you say it out to your mouth at the devil's playground. People gonna love you today, Drex. People gonna give you today, and tomorrow, then find something else entertaining. You see, for the little moment that you're here trying to get gift and the little money for sort out your place for bill for your kids them, a lot of people now gonna like that. Whole heap of people are gonna attack you. Me now gonna tell no lie. Your baby mother Drake, we all know so she have a little bad side her. The only reason why Rosealee are going so is just because you're it number one. That's it. And me you know. So true you know that, no peer Rosealee no mind. At the end of the day, me can't come between
That's
your baby mother.
That's why I know reason my people them know, so I'm not gonna make it happen again.
Listen, no, listen what me I tell you. Listen what me I gonna tell you. Listen what me I gonna tell you, Drake.
Don't fuck up with my brother.
No. Listen what me I gonna tell you. We know see I saw June stay and I saw Rosealee tan. You know, like nobody get number one. You have a mission. You see, if it was just for you, I could have said, fuck Drake. Drake's a big man. I don't really care about your Drake. You have a pitney. You know, finish your house. You have a house for finish. Your kids, them, still there in a CDA custody. You can't make, because Rosealee will come live and a vex, and a vent, make you stop play match, so you don't get the money for go bill your house, forget your kids, them. You have to remember, say you're doing it for the kids. You're not wrong figure number one. So don't make nobody break.
I'm not leaving, you know. Some of the people them know so watch it, because when she play upon her life, it sound fuck up in the ears of my people then. Remember some of my audience are female, you know.
That not stop them from give you. I'm gonna tell you that.
Yeah, but you know what? Watch this now.
What you plan for do? You want to come up
very provoking, you understand?
Very and that's what Rosealee want. That is what Rosealee want. Rosealee want to provoke you until you get fed up and come off. Now give Rosealee what she want. You see, anything you think about coming off the internet, think about your kids them and they help them, or the people them are going to help you. Now make Rosealee bully you off of the internet. Do not make Rosealee bully you off of the internet for you to help you pity them, because Rosealee don't care about them.
Serious motor, yeah, I'm laughing. I'm not in a bully. I'm not taking in a bully, but I just come for them people them, because them idiot. people still have confidence in me and still love me same way now. So that's why I come apologize to them. Because I'm also female. You understand? I remember in the voice note or Jamaican relationship normally between Jamaican men and women. When our ignorance not come like, get out of here. No, we're not
And
that.
Drex, you have to understand, say,
You understand?
the people them on social media is not seeking no apology from you. You see, the apology where you need to give, that of you and your baby mother thing. You give her and she give your phone thing that. You don't need to apologize to the people them.
No,
You have done nothing to us on TikTok.
You understand? I make them know what the real reason behind the voice note too.
Boy, I blame them. I say, can't they blame them. Drake say you can't take a foolishness. You're not chilling, you can't take a foolishness.
TJ, I see you coming. I respect it too. But, Barney.
Go and talk to your people them.
See,
I'm go and play a match them. Go and play a match them and do what you have to do.
Yeah, man, I'll circle back soon.
Yeah, later. Guys.
My babies, I'll circle no back to. I blow off a steam a little bit. But I'm really sorry about what I should make it happen. It should not from the beginning. That's why I come over here. Blame them. Alright, I'm not styling. Not styling.
Yo, Jay, told me that you not accept me that.
About that, so nah, this, bro. But I'm so circle back, though. Now come back on before the night done, man.
Alright, can me just say, alright then.
Yeah, bro. So far with my babies. You see, that circle.
Money, the man want get the help for fix up in place, for get him kids them. Something that you're not thinking about. Cause the only thing, Rosealee, you think about is Uaga number 1 and Uaga number 2. Drake's now watch number 1 and 2. Drake's now watch how much money him can get for build him house, for take him them. Every day that man come live, that man mention him kids them. Every single day that man come live, that man mention kids. And if me go over there and I try to put him in a two look mix up, he might tell me, say, boy, Van, I'm not really depend it today, and I'm kids. Rosealee is a mother. I make a father out there. I not say you have good father out there, but you is a mother. And you feel the pain for 9 months. And your pussy bust up. For sure about your 2 pitney them. And you got through pain and struggles for care them. You feel more than our man feel. And you feel good in yourself. You feel good in yourself.
You know, so Rosealee they behave. Panic blood clot live over cocky. They cuss the girl when name Chevy. And he now cuss more in pit them, forget back in pit them. You hear him go on. Dirty girl, you don't get the man. You don't get the man. A man and the girl a clown him out. Fucking idiot. Make the girl get high
do not give Rosealee the kids them and give Drake's the kids them. Because Drake's have a better mind, sensible. She log up on the woman live and cuss the woman. Hey. Just because Akeem no want you want but Drake's now. Where was this energy? When time you and Akeem did all lovey and Drake's a flirt with Chevy at the time. You knew about it. You knew about Chevy because you say when in call, you're there on phone or something. So you knew about the girl long time. But true, you did so in love with Akeem, it never hurt you, it never bother you. But now Akeem no want you, your sister and him no want you, and he come up multiple times contact against you. So now you realize you understand a chance. Reality really lick you now. So you want to run, go back to Drake's.
Let me tell you something, Ivany. Money and a Rosealee problem again. A man ain't problem. A cocky want to enjoy himself. Because rich already. A fuck Rosealee want in pussy. Rosealee wants some cocky. So if at that team have this.
Me not free that. Me not free. Let me tell you something. Rosealee want the fuck from Akeem. And Rosealee don't want the support where Drake's
get. Drake's get.
She wants Drake's pocket now and she said Drake.
No, he want
I got number 1.
What's left? Say man take up in what's left. Ever your man attack then sit there. And no man normally me attack then sit there.
You know what bun me? What bun me is that Rosealee can get up on live and address each and every ranker, each and every viewer, each and every gifter, even each and every tapper. And people will comment, You can click your life and address a million people about a million things that they say on their live or in comment section. But you cannot click one live and take that whole day to talk about your kids them with their CDA. You address so many things. Everybody will tell you the good and everybody will tell you the bad. You class them. You spend a whole day a talk on them. But you can't take a one day and talk about your kids them just for one day. Eh? Me never see Drake's go live and I call no name, pick them name. Every time him go live, the man have him kids them name in their mouth. And him is a man.
Watch a batty boy I send me request. Me not answer him. And Jake, you see Jake's a bill in place. Look how Rosealee make much money and he not bill nowhere. I now want to know me each up. And Jake just make money and do somewhere.
You know how it go. That's why Rosealee will always be richer and richer. Cause if you think Rosealee poor, something wrong with you. Rosealee want people.
You don't have to tell me that. Rosealee have money.
She's thinking rich. She want people to keep on sorry for her. People for say she live in a one living condition. And then she have her pitney now. She want people to say she take care of them or whatever. So she go stay in a living condition for always a get. Cause the moment she start look good and carry herself somewhere, you go here, it's Jamaican, you go here, so oh, Rosa money, no, Rosa take care of herself. She feel like the gift I got limited now, she don't get much gift. So she don't want to take care of herself, she always want to be that person who just look bad. Rosealee, me no give a fuck how much you want to eat me. Me no care what you want to do with your life. But your kids will always come first. Your kids supposed to come over Akeem. If CVS take what ice from me today, social media would have to delete my account. And every day me a ball. Every single day me ball. Me that down in hospital and they would have IV in my hand. Me that stress out. Me can't eat. Girl, me don't know how you got club the next day.
A vacation for Rosealee.
Get take away from you.
A vacation for Rosealee.
You see, every day Rosealee they find life a class people. I saw me that they find life every day a ball for my kid. For my pitney them. You just a show
bro,
people every day.
What's up? Mr. Rosealee pit them get take away. Mr. Rosealee pit them get take away and Rosealee a war at Airbnb man war man say man a put him out. Cause man make be nice at Airbnb and the man a time for tapping eyes. The man a war, man want to with iron.
Let me tell you something. I study Rose like a book. I know a Rose like me and me. Let me tell you something.
Tell me that.
It's not the fact that Rose can go home. Rose have faith and thinks that Akeem, one day Akeem will go pass through at the Airbnb. So she don't want to slip for her yard and left Diamond figure it out alone up there because she not have no excuse for one go back up there. See, you know what she do? She not left none tall. Cause I look away for she go her yard. Why you gonna make up and tell them so you're stressed now for one go back up there after you done got your yard? The more prayer say, oh, you come back so quick, whatever. So you know what you do, Rose. You tell yourself, say, all right, me now but I left none tall because Akeem must come one day. Ah, let's see her. Akeem, she a wait for come.
Yeah.
Akeem, she a wait for call her. She don't want when Akeem call her. And she and Drake's down there. The people go say, oh, she gone up for Akeem again. She want Airbnb, so when time Akeem call her, Akeem just go straight over the Airbnb because she over there by herself already. You're a man, girl. Be wise no man. Drop all 18. When me have each other and talk facts. No, Rosealee, you need to care for your kids. You need to care for your kids, young girl. You're too careless. And when you not understand, say, the same CDA them will watch you. You think the people them now watch everything? Let me tell you something. Social media is a powerful thing. Look how long Annie and the Ant's family them are going out of character on the internet. And social media not take off for them pitney, you know. If Zumba and other social media people never talk about Gilbert they get dropped. And all them a fight around the pitney. And of them would have still have them pitney up till today dear. A social media CD then go on and hear and see. So then drop the pitney and now this a go on. And it make them go take away the pitney them. Social media them a watch. So I don't know why Rosealee feel like say CD is still now watch her now. You just show the people them see you don't care, bro. Them can't use it at court. All if you just decide to me, I'll give Rosie and pick them now. CD will come in and say, well, Your Honor, after we take away the kids, this is she going to party and don't have no yeah. I don't know if that can use in a court, but they will try put it as far as say you're not care for the kids them, because your kids them get taken today, you're gonna that party tomorrow. I saw them won't make it soon. Blame them.
Yeah.
One video I circulate with Rosealee. I don't know how much people hear it. And after that video that me hear, me can never in my life like Rose. You see how Rosealee beat her sister, our sister guys, and the little girl a ball.
All the mother and beat.
No, me ask you this. You see that, you hear that specific video.
You see even when my baby girl.
And the little girl a ball for her life. And that Rosealee, you should have in America and try that. You would have get for a club, but up till today you're in a lock up. You sit down and beat the little girl a ball for her life. That is torture. You not do pitney them things there. A pitney. No matter what kind of cock you want to find in your phone. There are different ways that you can punish them. Take away your phone. No make him go no work for school. He go to school but he can't go no event. He can't participate in no that fun way in a school. No TV, no phone for you. No event for you. Go to school, come back, eat, brush your teeth and go study your book. No fun time. You have torture the little pitney.
They take out the man problem.
And it's so funny. Me never know so and that me you know say Rosealee do them the thing that somebody come in on my box one day. And me a talk and they say, Van, you never I say, me hear it. Me never tell them to stop play. I could listen to the end. That's something like when the whole friend and chop them up. Yeah, you abuse the little girl.
Alright. You know see video when Barbar come to him and say, Barbar come and say to him, say, Mommy, you have to come and guidance council and talk to Rosealee.
Yeah, she run them well.
Make you come now. He run them like a dog. All you think you pick them people now sitting there. You too bumbo clot big and slap it up and think and careless. And love man too much. You love man like dog, you're big and think. Bro, Ivany,
you see your body can define who you be. Thank you, baby. Your body define who you be. You see Rosealee big and think she's the beast. She's the beast. She's a fucking beast. All I think about is money. And you alone to make money. I see you did vex with Jaden then when Jaden my rank. I see you vex with Fabi. Everybody around here will win.
Everybody will come on the TikTok come bust him vex with.
As some did go up on Jamaican TikTok. You remember? I mean, this is where they go over there. I mean, they got Jamaican ranking. And I said she turn for me and shoot. And I said she go for ranking too. And I want the argument.
Remember saying where you live America, you know, for the pan Jamaica ranking, you live America. Remember that thing?
She bad mind.
Dirty bad mind, Will.
Akeem save Rose on there, you know. Let me tell you something. If I never feel Akeem, majority of the people them we are give Rose right now, and we claim to say them like her, the people them up on our life because of Akeem. Akeem save Rose, because the people them eat Rose like Paizo. I regularly June over our life, I beg Galaxy and can't get it. The people them now look on her. Akeem come save her, make she start get Universe and Lion and the things them. And the only reason why people still support her because our kids them still get take away and the people them want no update and she and Drake's at it. Rosealee, me now ask you, once them the pity that come out and if God forbid said Drake's get them for good, you're done. You done. I mean I say which series can save you? Kaya Akeem can't come back with a series, you know, it just now go feel like one time. The people them tired, I wanna know. Not even say Akeem, the people them tired of you and your dirty ways. Remember me tell you
when cuz bust him and you never seen him on a match with cuz yet. And a cuz bust him. You never see him
and Bubu to come out of that CD here. The people them now look for you. I Drake's them now look for you. I Drake's everything I get.
The table turn right now.
Drake.
So right now, I make you think you can go control Jakes again. Because you are going to money that use control Jakes. So now Jakes are buy crutches because Jakes having one money to spend. So at that one, yes, me tell you something. If I hear saying say, Caan on no use of them tail until they lose it.
I share the girl if I'm like Chev. If I'm like Chev, as soon as I reach Jamaica, I carry that video go station, go show say Rosealee a threaten her and put that one file to you. You're too outard and you have to stop. Because I never say Drake's in your boxer class, Akeem, when you're Akeem did that lovey-dovey. So why you target the man?
Yo, first, you know, hear it? Jakes tell me, say, every time he kiss up and I do something, Jakes jealous, and Jakes said to me, say, in bet. And Rosealee say, yeah, me make no money, yeah, give me no, now tell me what to do. So the dog say, can't nothing about it, the dog say, she make money, so he can't really do nothing. I the dog said to me, say, blame them. A regular man do that, and me bet, you know, but me can't really say nothing, because he must say, I money he make, and he not serious. I mean, no, they go get serious.
Me feel like Drake want come on TikTok long time, but Rosealee tricked him not to come.
Yeah.
He did have to take the kids them. He take the kids them to get take away, and that make the man brave up now and say, kids them get involved, me I go on this. So maybe all along the man just soft up and make she do her thing. Cause him pick them done their foot and she done make money. And him know say food that provides same way, having phone, having weed, having liquor. Him pick them alright, then clean them and go to school. So he just live. But now the kids them get taken away and he says she not care. I don't think she care about the Hakeem. The man has step up now for him pick them not care about she. He not care about she. She for glad that she have a man like Drake's. You for glad. You're supposed to glad see you have a man like Drake's. Because the whole internet, including myself, me they are dying for Drake's come class and bring down your blood clot and come tell you things go your eye. Because I know your eye things, you know. And up till today, the Drake's eye things too, you know. Drake's now want come tell you the full on. Anytime Drake's ready for talk, you know have no come back. And Drake's a save you too, just like how Hakeem did a save you. You hear? I told the man come on the internet and say, him now got this same baby mother and that him there for him there for him kids them. And you as a stinking sour hog, you not have no form of reasonability to sit down and pre-life and say, boy, let me put aside when me and him go through and anything when him do me and when me do him. Me rate the fact say him have thousands of things could have come say about me. And know you know the people them genuinely and fuck with him and I give him. And know if him come talking, I get more gift on top of gift. And he still not class me. You don't look into yourself and say, boy, my baby father could have come stand. Rosealee, you don't have no sense. If I were you, I'm gonna make it up to Drake's. You and Drake's, at this time, I and Drake should have built the house there now. I and Drake should have talk over things. Uno the from the yard, they on the knee. Social media can't break the band where uno have, you know. So no matter how much people want 8 euros, social media can't break. You're not the man that from the yard, they don't need anything for break. Uno, if uno decides that uno really are go for uno separate ways. Me can't mash up that. Chevy can't mash up that. Blam them can't mash up that. TikTok can't mash up where you and Drake's have, because uno know where uno come from and know where uno feel. And before you work together and say, boy, my kids them gone, let me just take accountability, get back in myself, seek some counseling for show them, say, boy, I did stress and I actually seek counseling now. You and Drake's come back as a good family, build up your house, show a blood clot CDA, say, look, we change. CDA watch you up till this given moment. Make them see you for your life and talk about your kids and put in the effort. Make them see you get ready with me for your counseling. Go down at the courthouse, talk to them, make them see you really need your kids. It's never that serious for them to give you back Rose. Because you not hurt them. You know that serious for them, don't give you back your kids them. But the things that you're doing now, you just make it worse and worse. Each day make it worse. Every day you find somebody else new for cuss where you say something good boy. Once somebody says something good, you cuss them. You cuss them off. You cuss them off. And the people them a boots you up. We rate Hakeem and everything, but we can't believe that Hakeem that come on the internet come say series soon start. What kind of style that? Tell the woman the truth, say pause the series and go take care of your kids. You should come say, Mom, Rosealee, my daughter-in-law, me love you. Guys, it's series, pause. Series, pause till Rosealee get her kids. What you mean by it's series soon start back? So, when Rosealee hearing them things here, she can't, you expect better from her. Because she get boots in too. Every day somebody else boots are up.
That youth they right off in career. And that I right youth are right off in career.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Big, enough big and tired night place. We sick of your drunk.
I don't know. Rosealee, boy, I don't know. I don't know.
Rosealee sick too much, man. Me I tell you, youth. In terrible, man. I not. You thinking business? I will talk in a business.
She probably a class me and you. Tomorrow she will class
Let me
you.
business. Look at it. You know, that me people are saying over there.
But me telling you, you know. You see, me not gonna follow Rosealee and Annie them footstep, you know. Me see everything we are going from the internet. And I will be a fool if me follow under dirty careless mama and make my pitney get take away. You hear me telling you, I will be a blood clot for me open up my eye them and listen to the things I wanna say and the things I wanna do and wanna act and wanna behave. And me use them for train myself in a behave or on a behave and a talk or on a talk or CPS in America not coming to take blood clot ice. The day them take ice and the day me go under one tree go hang up. Me I tell you. Cause me can't do my yard and know so my pitney get take with other people yard. And then I left him with them for go up on my bookings. Me da drop down. It not go work. So all I want to find you exalting yourself and go on. And you see that and if you get to, because what day me I talk and she pick up for Rosealee and talk about the time when you worry about Rosealee, you go worry about eyes. I see that. You see that? You have to lower her alone. Make sure she will find out for herself as the day goes.
Big and bad mind, yes, man, and think you want. Look at spread out in that bed, he beg and think your blood clot. You could thinking dirty well. And he not, you thinking business, you know. Big
Now
dirty
then, what me
thinking.
not understand? If you're dating a female, right? Or your baby mother, aren't you supposed to be happy that the person is elevating, guys? Not so baby father and baby mother feel. If the worst, we're not talking about the ones that wanna get along, like how me and mine not get along, right? And I could put mine in this because I'm on a TikToker. But I can never date somebody. I can never date somebody that is a TikToker.
One more road.
And they are ranking and winning and me not happy for them. You're happy. So boy, my baby father come make history. My baby father make how much followers in a one day. My baby father come get 1 pound podium, 2 pound podium in no time. Happy for your man, your baby father.
Ivany to Bumbo Clat.
Rose, thank you.
Yo, listen to me, Ivany. You know, say Franny fuck you one with Bumbo Clat, Rosealee. Rosealee never come on live and come talk about it.
Let's get active on TikTok. If you never know me, make tell us something, girl. Yeah, talk about get my baby father active on TikTok. All of my man them want me take except for King and me introduce them to TikTok. My baby father me tell him for come on TikTok come make money. Kino and me build up the page there and tell him for come play match. I one thing with me, I always influence them for come make money because what the haters them I got me know say any man me take, haters I got follow them. And me always influence them. The last one I'm there talking him been there on TikTok already. So now me not stay them that way there. Me not stay them that way there. You can't done money for everybody and people are gonna come. They see your TikTok big and everybody have them platform. Somewhere over one next live have 10,000 views. Maybe Jaden have 8,000. Blank them having people. Them me have 5 over. So probably Rosealee have 12. It is a big world. People are gonna here and there and support. You cannot take away another man's supporter. That's how when you hear them talk about. When me not pay rent for and when you never oh you have to pay my rent. You can't talk about me and cost me, you know, but you not put money in my pocket. It down to the people them. So now you have to pay my rent and the people them. That's how when the TikToker then talk me in a ramp with them. Rosealee, you're too careless. Wash off your black heart, you're too careless.
And in bad mind your fault. You know over there say, but you know the Hakim in begging money in a game. I saw it dirty dog shit done.
You mean any Hakim they tell Rosealee to go take care of her kids, she would. And that's why I can't understand because if Hakim so called love her too, me that influence her to go take care of her kids them too. Cause Hakim knows that Rose love him till she fool. And anything him say goes. You're supposed to lick it in her head too. Tell her to take care of her pity them because she will listen to you. So you have to tell her. If you are watching live, tell her to take care of her pity them because you alone she want to listen to. And you should love. I want to do it. So tell her. Tell her to stop answer. When she and Akeem did it on a good term, you can't catch Rosealee in a no. I said look space of time the series are gone. I never know say we could have witnessed Rosealee in a one argument. Rosealee go weeks without argue with nobody. Rosealee a soft girl.
Me tell them Ivany say. Me tell some Ivany, me tell them say, you see once the man that the man is not good in terrorize the internet. So you see like I'm a terrorize the internet now you know say I'm man in a problem. In terrorize the internet when he man in a problem. He not give a fuck about no pitney. A man Rosealee a defend. Dirty girl. In the internet I talk about man. Every day they worry about the girl and man. You have to go a bumbleclad thinking wheel. Move your bumbleclad for you so you stink like shit.
What's
Your
your word
pussy
about
shape
all
up,
that the
dirty
woman
wheel.
did for?
Go ahead.
Rosealee
Dog
start the
shit.
series and Drake's have finished it. What the problem?
When him a doing series, Jake not a problem. Or when him film, you have a problem. When him a do film, Jake's not a problem. Or when Jake's have the film, you have a problem. Boy, serious. We bumbleclad for you, some man. I say, I want Jake's and human there for true. I say, I want them there for real. Oh, if I get a smart girl, come here, go make piece of money and take your Jake's.
And she can't lick her.
You can't lick nobody, you say and fight nobody.
You lick your woman as a jail.
But you know, you say, go tear off the girl face. And when you say, girl, go do him something, now you say, then wicked.
Or Rosealee for one tear off nobody face when a Rosealee book up in a girl at town and the girl step to Rose and Rose a walk and tell her she
I
shouldn't
walk away, but me not chat to I tell you.
So how Rosealee gonna fight? She know who for her strength final.
Don't you know if you're frightened.
Cause Mr. Rose no more walk with a button. Cause you lick her Rose, she not feel it, you know. You have to have a button. You know the button them when you play when you lick the ball. I call a game there. You have to use a button to lick Rose. Yeah. You can't beat Rose. Rose have too much flesh. You can't beat Rose. You have to batter Rose with a 2 before. Tennis, yeah, you have to batter. You have to batter Rose with a 2 before because she don't feel that.
Big dirty wheel. They saying sick to mock your blood clot. And now no manners, you walk and disgrace everybody. You walk and disrespect everybody youth. No manners the drunk and have youth. No manners in sick to mock your blood clot. You want you see bottom part of Rose mark. Rose look like Rose look like that chair there. You say look part down there's a liquor. And not up that big, that's how Rose look. Rose look like that chair there. Everybody say that Rose. 3 more Rose shot, catch his speed. Rosealee then on my house. 2 more Rose, catch his speed. 2 more Rose. I thought I see him as a Rosealee look. But I'm a pat dirty wheel.
Yo.
But serious, but people, he said people bad mind him for his series.
What you know?
Say people bad mind him for his series.
Well, I know. But if we take a check of it, Rosealee can't tell for nobody. Remember good. She cussed Fabia already when Fabia tried to go on. She do it with Jaden.
He cussed off Jaden said Jaden come #1 every week.
She do it with Jaden. She do it with me when me did come down there. And she try with you too when JD said I go try go down there. I remember she do it with Triple. I don't know if you remember when Jaden did go leg how much lion pan Triple when she and Triple are play.
Yeah.
And she cussed out Triple and said it was a planting. Yeah, lady, that
bad mind. I'm bad mind. I know I say people bad mind.
One demon sent from the pit of blood clot hell. Me don't know how come like something wrong with she and the ranking.
That's what she say. She bad mind. She bad mind. She talk about people bad mind. She bad mind.
Yeah.
Look into it.
She does. I don't know. It's like she mad, bro.
She bad mind then. Cause if she has said that, I mean say she bad mind. You're too bumbleclap bad mind. That's the him I can talk about people bad mind and I am bad mind. Bumbleclap.
She only person argue about ranks. I don't see nobody else argue about rank, but see.
But see, bad mind when people they on top. You see if you're not a friend, you don't want to see a on top. And then any friend in bad mind the same way. Because see Miss Stripper and friend and he bring down Miss Stripper. Go a drunk, a big stinking dirty wheel. You don't want a friend from bad mind people like you. But yeah, you can't tell me boy you black me. For man. For you tell the boys so you can't control blame them. That's all you have to say. Yo, me like this Rose say my stinking wheel and Intania. So, oh yeah, as a man, bro.
And
Never say anything
Rosalie
I
love
hate you.
this me. Rosalie love this me, you know. And tell me how my pussy stink. And me now ask if underneath Rosalie belly no stink than my pussy.
Then Rosalie can't walk like he can be and
You see
Rosalie
that
like he
something
can't
here
watch
where
himself good
Rosalie
and
have?
can't be it.
You see that something that was she have for all up, so? She need for wash under that. Me now ask, and that is not her pussy. We don't reach her pussy yet. We are talking about the belly, we cover the pussy. Imagine when she lift up that. The
You want me at
scent
the
and the
girl, you want me at
sweat.
the girl where Rosalie yet, the girl, chef. You want me at
Yeah,
her?
but me, other.
Voila, me at her. Oh, you can't see much.
No, you cancel for sure.
No, me I can't see, me I can't see. Me at her. Yeah. Rosalie bad. You say you're a good part. You say you're a good man. So if I go home to somebody, we're gonna kick me up, kick up my pussy, kick up your pussy. And I couldn't hear it back again. Or my pussy gonna get kick up. So if I go home to this, I'm afraid for God me out up to now. Yeah.
Hey, girl, anyway, you know. Anywhere, me see you, you not look that's not all. You not look not giving up. Right now, you not see not all, that's not all. I'm going to see you.
Anyway, you see me.
Shit to her, girl. Make sure that. Shit to her, girl. Make sure that my can't kick off. Because every kick off for your blood clot pussy. Yeah. Keep me at kick out the pussy there. Video. Shit to her, girl. Make sure that my can't kick off. Because every kick off for your blood clot pussy. Yeah. Keep me at kick out the pussy there. Hey, girl.
She told girl make sure Diamond can take off the kick out of your pussy. Yeah, Mr. Jakes. Make sure Diamond can take off the kick. Or I kick him, I kick up my pussy. I kick him, I kick up my pussy. Yeah. Can't go home, my love. Can't go home. I say I run go over the gully. I don't know where I go for. And I let my one up on him and fight the people to come beat me, him child. She told girl, I kick me, go kick up that pussy there. I kick me, go kick up that pussy there. She told girl, I kick me, go kick up that pussy there, hey girl. And time I see her, for ask no question, for ask no word. So me I stay away from him. I stay away from him, my love. I don't want nobody come kick up my hole. I don't have it to can use. Because that's my hole of your problem. That's my hole of your problem. How may I use it though? How may I take? No man, Jakes, me I show no. Jakes persona, me I show no. Mr. Jakes, man, no come there like him can't mash hands. Me I show no him. The one who wanna say me jealous over, the one who say me bad man, me I show him. Chat that look 2 live goal. Man, this me feel England no man, you know. Listen to this. Come and tell him say me want 20,000 to buy something you them. Judgment with you.
Shit to her, girl. Make sure that my can't kick off. Because every kick off for your blood clot pussy. Yeah. Keep me at kick out the pussy there. Hey, girl, anyway, you know. Anywhere, me see you, you not look not all. You not look not giving up. Right now, you not see not all, that's not all. I'm going to see you.
Mr. Jakes. What happened to what wrong with him?
Too many times more money to buy something you them. And then now have it. I mean, I said to him, Jake, but over here with girl and the things, the girls can't say 1-2 bills. Am I clothes here ride and she ride it? She can't say no one money. She can't say no one money. No, me ask you, me ask, when I come comment, because some of them are typed up and me can't really. Me ask you a question, really, and be honest.
Yeah.
I don't like have the comment, be honest, really. I don't like have the comment, right? You do with one girl, you want 20,000 to look for your youth, then you're not going to ask her, she are foreign.
True, yes.
But she can't say no one money to look for your youth, them.
Yeah, of course, then I'm and she there.
Oh. I now make plans, don't it?
So you see money where she take and buy clocks, you should have take you and give me.
That's why I love you so.
That's why me will always love you. You see money she take and buy clocks, she could have take you and give me.
And send go give him you them
yes.
With them one, don't it?
Yes.
This you know it's a hype and clothes, she a look.
I'ma tell him say never come over. Listen, I'ma tell him say never come over here, come try go on like you want toe to toe with you, you know. Because you turn him in a star over here, you know.
I'm saying I go kick up more, me can't go home one earbeat with next.
You might go glue up?
Kick out my hole.
No, I know that in me. I know that in me. Remember said that all of the Jakes, you know, all when in there and go on like, you know. Jakes,
really? I'm sick my stomach. Play one match with you and leave. I'm sick my stomach.
Rosealee. I tell you, I'm there for a film that all the India. Let me tell you.
Really?
Alright, I don't upset my friend because, so.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not upset you.
You ever hear the man say, you ever love somebody so much, you barely breathe when you're with him, got that warm, fuzzy feeling, no, you're sicker, evil looking at him. First double chat.
Listen, you're supposed to love him more now, don't you?
Will you have to jump here?
Alright.
I'm not run a joke.
Alright.
You go up tonight. I'm not run a joke. Go.
Alright.
You jump.
I'm not getting more trouble.
You jump.
I'm gonna say alright. Calm down now, me crush. So.
Chat if you now follow. Come out about the comments and I can pay typing. Jakes have mama man attitude. Jakes sit down and chat with everybody.
Me a mama man too.
No, you worse. So them know I'm even there, so. 25 purse with a rose. You have to do the same thing, I go worse.
Yo, you see you? You just know how to make people feel bad. I'm gonna like that to you. You know how to make people feel bad, yo.
Chat, use the triple there.
It's alright. Chat, level 25.
The environment, yeah.
Chat, catch a triple in a chat. Chat, come on, chat, catch a triple in a chat. We can't get 25 euros. Jesus Christ. Come on, chat, 25 euros. 25, somebody please. Chat, 3 more. We get in there. Come on, chat. We soon reach. Come on, chat, we soon reach. If everybody send a flowers and then type of way, they will catch it. Come on, we soon reach. 4 more. 5 more.
Chat, we are trying to go up in the ranks. Chat,
come on, chat. Jesus Christ.
You know what myself say?
Miraz, class. Miraz.
Chat, if I ask me the big 20,000, I know me, I get it. Triple chat. Trouble can't put some on the times 3. Appear me in there, so. Go stop talk. No gift doesn't come tonight. I mean a problem. Dumbo. I'm the best friend of the year yet.
Yes, send a jet there. Send a jet there, mama.
Give me a circle, you know.
Alright, then, beautiful.
Somehow no go on. Mother don't even turn about the comment. Let me get rid of somebody. Nobody too full. You don't want too much crowd for me. Yeah, for true. I work, me come work. I mean, never beg pay, I could go do my pick the business. Yeah. Don't want you to see people stop when I get none. That makes sense. We don't talk. We don't even enter the ranking yet. Me not talk no more till we get two gift gallery. Me not talk no more till we get two wheel. Me not turn about the comment section until me say things right. But if you enter the ranking, it's a pause with the pan. That means I pay enemy song for me so. Everybody come here, man, song and class and tell me more full of shit. Oh. But we input in there. Might as well. Come on, I get nothing. This me I work. No, for true. I'm not get nothing. Might as well. No, for true. Not even one post. They look two gift title. Now look.
The best plan for your next getaway. For you, this loyalty stick.
And then we have a stress out like a dog.
Up to 25% off with promo code REWEXTRA.
One till two people. But when the people don't come like me. Stand there so when the people don't like me, man, you mad? They put this pan blood clot search. How the blood clot is. No man. I'm afraid when the people don't like me. No, it's true. If I'm more of a song with how much people don't like me, I can't get too well. I'm gonna watch TV. And I promise you that. It's a blood class, and now what can you know? The Wi-Fi.